this is it. This is my bare skin. Let's remove my makeup using Erase Base and by Base. Cute, cute! Nakalimutan ko i-remove yung eyelashes. So, kunin muna natin yung eyelashes natin. Gilay. And everything. Yung sa eye area, medyo gentle lang tayo kasi na-surgery yung mata natin. So, gentle lang. Look at that difference, you guys. Ito naman, ilalagay siya sa dry na skin and i-rinse. Okay, excited na akong i-try ito. Kunin ko lang yung contact lens ko, then let's rinse. And tingnan nyo guys, na-erase talaga yung makeup. By the way guys, grabe yung makeup na yun. Pang pageant yun ha. And tingnan nyo, ang dali. Ang dali lang. If you want to use something quick, something easy, use Erase Base. And if you want something na may micellar water, use by Base. As for me, nakasanayan ko kasi na i-double cleanse, triple cleanse yung face ko. Kasi, ano ko guys, acne prone skin. So, natatakot ako na may mga tira-tira siya. I recommend using Erase Base first, then use by Base after. Then after that, mag-rinse na and mag-cleanse pa ng soap. Then you're good to go. And oh my gosh, this is so good. Grabe ang liit lang niya, pero ang bilis niyang makakuha and grabe yung nakuha niyang makeup. And grabe naman to mag-melt ng makeup, guys. So, check this out na.